Welcome to Android Constraint Layout tutorial. Here you will learn how to use constraint layout rather than using multiple relative layout, linear layout, etc. Hey there, I'm Masoom and I'm here to help you how to use constraint layout in correct way. Let's begin. This is my constraint layout. Okay, just first we use a single widget. See, this is top. This is top node. This is right. This is left, and this bottom. Okay, now we wish to make it in center. See how it's possible. Just drag it to this end and drag the right node to right end of its parent, top to top and bottom to bottom. Now see, it's in bottom. No matter which screen size it is, it will always be in bottom. Now write something here and see. How it's working very great. So after completing the width of its parent, it automatically moves to next line. Okay, now this is wrap content. You can make it to match its constraint. Click here. This is static size, means 384 dp width. No, I don't need this. Click here again. This is match constraint. See, now it have padding of 8 dp from left and right. This is how our constraint layout. This will hello, but the size of text size will not change. Now make some complicated design, means complex design. Oh, let's start. As a title, drag it and drag it. Sorry. Another text view. Okay, now this text view will go bottom of this text view. Okay, now click on it top and drop it to the bottom of top text view. See, now if the top text view change its position, the second text view will automatically change its position with respect to this text view. Now this is my title text view. Enter name, and this will my second text view. I will take here edit text. Hmm. We can use this also, this plus button. Okay, okay. Let's see, it will match our not in the orientation of our layout. Let's see, it will still in position. It's very good. If we need to add another widget top of this text view, no problem. Simply we add some margin from top 160 with this come here. Okay, now we add a text view here, center of its parent. Welcome to tutorial. Now change its top constant and draw to this. See how it's easy. It's so much easy to manage this. Now see this edit text has margin with its parent left. If I move like this edit text will not move with this text. We need to make constraint of it like this. Now change the margin to 0, and now it will move with this one. It's so easy to make. Another text view with same thing, and okay, see another edit text with same thing. Okay. Work entire work like this only. Make it constant. Okay, no, yeah, that's it. Fine. Now if its padding will change like this, every widget after this will automatically change. And see here also, 64. See that it's working. Now we have to add three buttons with equal width. We need linear layout, but here we don't need any linear layout. See how it's work. Add three button here, 1, 2, and the 3 one. Okay, you may take more button like this. Okay, and match it with its pad here like this, and change it margin to 0 here, 0. Now click on 3 button with shift, right click on it, chain, create horizontal chain. See, and equally distributed. You can add more button like this, and right click chain, insert in horizontal chain. Okay, now make it like this and padding to 0. How clear it's adjust. It's looking good. 1, 2, and 3, and the last one 4. We can easily change the position of this button. Drag like this, chain, move right horizontal chain. See how it's working. You can remove a single button from the chain. Right click chain, remove from horizontal chain. Now it's removed and move. See, okay, and this will like this only. See it removed from horizontal chain. Thank you for this tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I will show more about constraint layout. Have a good day. Bye bye.